Domestic animals. Domestic animals or farm animals. What are domestic animals? Domestic animals are those animals that has been kept or domesticated by humans for livestock activities. Domestic animals helps us in many ways. These animals are used for labor and are very useful to humans. There are different types of domestic animals. Some of the domestic animals are cow, sheep, horse, goat, hen, etc. Why do we need to domesticate farm or domestic animals? We need to domesticate farm or domestic animals because they give us food such as milk, meat, eggs and also fibers to make clothes. Introduction. Teacher, good morning, children. Students, good morning, teacher. Teacher, what is the day today? Students, today is Friday, whatever the day will be. Teacher, today I am going to tell you a story of an old farmer whose name was Macdonald. Old Macdonald had a farm with different animals. Teacher, so let's begin. Once upon a time, there was a farmer named Old Macdonald. He had a farm with different animals. He kept his animals in the farm and always take care of them. Let's see who are they.
Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a duck, E-I-E-I-O. With a quack quack here, quack quack there, here a quack, there a quack, everywhere a quack quack. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a dog, E-I-E-I-O. With a woof woof here, a woof woof there, here a woof, there a woof, everywhere a woof woof. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a cat, E-I-E-I-O. With a meow meow here and a meow meow there, here a meow, there a meow, everywhere a meow meow. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a cow, E-I-E-I-O. With a moo moo here, a moo moo there, here a moo, there a moo, everywhere a moo moo. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on the farm he had a sheep, E-I-E-I-O. With a ba-ba here and a ba-ba there, here a ba, there a ba, everywhere a ba-ba. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O.
A cow is a domestic animal. It has 4 legs and a short tail. Cows are herbivores, that means they only eat plants. Cow only eat grass and leaves. Cow gives us milk. Milk is used to make butter, cheese and ghee. Hen is a domestic animal. It is a bird. It lays eggs which people eat. This is a sheep. Sheep is a domestic animal. Sheep give us wool. Wool is used to make woolen clothes. This is a goat. A goat is a domestic animal. It gives us milk and meat. Goat loves to eat grass and leaves. Camel is also a domestic animal. Camel helps us to carry heavy loads and even for riding. A horse is a domestic animal. It is one of the fastest animals in the world. Horse loves to eat grass and grains. A cow is a domestic animal. It has 4 legs and a short tail. Cows are herbivores, that means they only eat plants. Cow only eat grass and leaves. Cow gives us milk. Milk is used to make butter, cheese and ghee. Application: charts of domestic animals, flashcards, toys. Evaluation: a teacher should evaluate the lesson by giving worksheets or activities to solve. Coloring, paper pasting of animals, circle the domestic animals, paper folding activities. Difference between domestic and pet animals. Domestic animals are those animals which are kept for livestock activities. Pet animals are those animals which are kept by the humans for companion and entertainment. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, please hit the red button.